Hello, my friend. Welcome back to another morning English listening practice. Today we will spend time together listening carefully, repeating slowly, and thinking in English. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and relax. We will move step by step, and we will focus on everyday language you can use right now. Every morning begins with a simple routine. You wake up, you stretch, and you say good morning. A small habit can change your whole day. Today, as you wake up, try to say a few words in English. Say them aloud, or say them in your mind. The first sentence you can say is, I feel awake and ready to learn. Now repeat after me, I feel awake and ready to learn. You can make your morning stronger by listening to a short audio in English. Today we will listen to small parts of daily conversations, short stories, and useful sentences. I will speak slowly, and you will repeat. If you want, pause the video between lines to give yourself more time. It is okay to repeat each sentence 2 or 3 times. Now, imagine you are in a quiet kitchen. The sun is warm and the air is fresh. You make a cup of tea or coffee. The cup is warm in your hands. Hold it for a moment and breathe slowly. Say, I love this morning. Repeat, I love this morning. After your drink, you decide to go outside for a short walk. You put on your shoes and step outside. The street is quiet. Neighbors say, good morning. You answer, good morning, how are you? Practice this line with me, good morning, how are you? When you are on your walk, look around and name things. Point with your eyes and say the words slowly. For example, the sky is blue. The trees are green. The air is cool. Saying these small sentences in English helps you connect words to pictures and feelings. Now let us practice some common morning sentences. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make breakfast and I drink tea or coffee. I go to work or I study. I listen to English while I move. Very good. Keep the rhythm slow and steady. When you repeat, focus on the sounds and the stress in the sentence. In English, some words are stronger, and some words are softer. Try to feel the stress, for example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Practice again, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now I will tell you a short story. Listen first. After I finish, you will answer a few questions. Here is the story. There is a young man named Adam. Adam lives in a small city. He likes to start his day with walking and listening to English. One morning, Adam heard a song that made him smile. He stopped and listened to the melody. Then he said, today is a good day. He felt happy and calm. Now answer the questions aloud. Where does Adam live? Pause. In a small city. What does he do every morning? Pause. He walks and listens to English. What did he feel? Pause. He felt happy and calm. Great. This exercise helps your brain practice understanding short stories in English. The more you listen, the more your brain learns to find the meaning fast. Now let us do a practice about shopping. Imagine you go to the market in the morning. You need bread, milk, and apples. You take a basket and walk to the shelves. A shopkeeper asks, can I help you? You say, yes, please. Where is the bread? The shopkeeper answers, aisle 5, next to the milk. Say the phrases with me. Can I help you? Yes, please. Where is the bread? Now another short set of sentences. Repeat slowly. I need bread. I need milk. I need apples. How much is this? The price is $5. Thank you. You are welcome. Very good. When you repeat, try to speak clearly and slowly. This helps your mouth learn the sounds again. Now we will practice listening to natural speech a little faster. I will say a short dialogue and then we will slow it down and repeat the important parts. Listen first. A. Hi, are you free this morning? B. Yes, I am free. A. Would you like to have coffee together? B. That sounds great. Now slow and repeat. Are you free this morning? Would you like to have coffee together? That sounds great. Learn the sound of the whole phrase and repeat it in a single breath. You will get better step by step. Think about small expressions people use in the morning. For example, have a great day. See you later. Take care. These short phrases are very useful. Repeat them now. Have a great day. See you later. Take care. Language learning needs repetition. Repeat these lines many times. You can say them to yourself while you do simple tasks. For example, when you open a door, say hello. When you see a friend, say good morning. Now let us practice some connecting words and small sounds. In English, speakers link words when they speak quickly. For example, I am going to the store becomes I'm gonna go to the store in natural speech. Try this natural pattern. I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna listen to English. Now repeat these natural phrases. I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna listen to English. This helps you sound more like a native speaker. Now take a moment to think about your own morning routine. Say your sentences out loud. Try to use the phrases you learned. For example, I wake up at 6. I make a cup of tea. I walk for 10 minutes. I listen to an English podcast. Practice saying each sentence slowly and clearly. Now a short listening challenge. I will speak a short paragraph at normal speed. Listen and then repeat the main idea. Here is the paragraph. This morning, the city felt busy and bright. People walked quickly to their work, and many shops opened early. A man played music on the corner, and a dog chased a ball. The day began with small moments of life. Now in your own words, say the main idea. The city felt busy and bright. People walked to work. Shops opened early. A man played music. A dog chased a ball. The day began with small moments of life. Excellent. This practice is training your brain to find the important information quickly. When you listen to a longer audio, you can focus on the main idea first, then on details. Now let us do a short shadowing exercise. I will say a sentence slowly, then I will say it naturally, and you will shadow me, speak at the same time. Here we go. I wake up early, and I start my day with a walk. Repeat naturally, I wake up early, and I start my day with a walk. Now you speak with me. I wake up early, and I start my day with a walk. Now another one. I drink coffee and I listen to a short podcast. Repeat naturally, I drink coffee and I listen to a short podcast. You repeat. I drink coffee and I listen to a short podcast. Shadowing trains your mouth, ears, and brain together. Keep this practice for a few minutes each day. Now let us practice some question and answer pairs. I ask, and you answer. What time do you wake up? Pause. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Where do you study English? Pause. I study English at home and online. What do you eat for breakfast? Pause. I eat toast and fruit. Good. These short Q&A pairs are great for real conversations. Now as we finish today's practice, let us review the most important ideas. Practice every morning, listen to short audios, repeat aloud, and try to think in English. Small steps lead to big progress. 10 minutes every day is powerful. Now say these final sentences with me. I practice English every morning. I listen and I repeat. I build my confidence. I improve step by step. I enjoy learning English. Take a deep breath, smile, and say to yourself, "Good morning, I am ready." Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep this routine every day, and you will see the change. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next practice.